Hi, my name is Patricia. I was watching Rocks or Minerals back to Eden Garden tour of August 2020. And I just had a question. I wondered the source of the seeds because I am a little bit leery about buying seeds because I don't know really maybe where they were processed or if they're really truly healthy seeds. Thank you.
Where do you buy seeds?
I buy seeds from 3 different places: Seed Savers Exchange, Baker Creek Heirloom Seed, and Fedco.
Are those all local or are they
No,
nationwide?
they're nationwide, and the first 2 are nothing but heirloom. Fedco has some hybrid seeds, but they really have a wonderful mentality. They're really on top of it. They're not going to have anything to do with chemical companies, and I really like them. They have wonderful products. I bought some asparagus from last year, some crowns, and I had people here eating asparagus. I planted that stuff in April, and in the summer, they're eating asparagus the size of my thumb.
Wow.
From plants I planted the first year. They tell you it takes 2 to 3 years before you can eat it. I was amazed at how beautiful those crowns were.
Well, that's all I have for this video. Bang around that bell icon if you want to be notified when new videos come out. Call us on the hotline if you have comments or questions and want to be featured in an upcoming video. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, check us out on the website, and we'll see you guys on the next one.